All right, so today we have the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. So this is pretty hefty feeling, some nice weight to it.
Woo, that's heavy.
All right, take the little sheath off. So this should have 64 bits. So saying it will work with drones, your cameras, phone, tablet, toys, laptop, smart home, blah, blah, blah. All right, and so here is the actual kit. Here is a little snack. So it says, do not throw away, eat. So eat this. Here is an owner's guide. Some stickers in case you're really super happy about fixing stuff. Here's the kit itself. Let's take a look. It's pretty nice. I gotta say, it was expensive, or at least more than I expected to pay for it. Here's a wrist strap, which you should use. I rarely use these things, but you should put that in there. It is nice to have a toolkit where everything goes in one spot, which is why I broke down and bought this, because I'm gonna take apart my Dell XPS 9710. And I wanted to make sure I had all these little pieces. So here's a bunch of guitar pick kind of guys here, right? There's a little double strap here, guys, to keep them in place. And these little pry tool guys, it's nice. A suction cup, that'd be like if you had pulled a screen off of something. I won't be taking any screens off, I don't think. There's some heavy duty tweezer guys. It's a weird little guy. Nice, precise little tweezies. Appears to be a lot of these kind of things in here. So what else we got is this real tweezers. All these are different kind of tweezers, I guess, until I say that, and now they're not. This guy's a little notchy. I don't know what that's all about. A little pointy guy. It's just like a plastic knife and plastic teeth cleaner. This is if you're in the middle of this and you want to clean your teeth. You just take this guy here like a dentist and just clean your teeth with that guy. I don't know what that is. There's a lot of tools in here that I have not seen before. And here we have a shank. So if you're getting robbed, if you break out your kit, you're gonna fix a laptop and somebody's going to rob you, you pull out the shank, shank them. Problem solved. I fixed it. Now this will be to pop the laptop open. So the Dell XPS 9700 and the 9710 are both apparently hard to open. So I think I need something like this to actually open it. Hopefully I don't scratch it. I'm gonna try the plastic guys first, but hopefully I don't break it. This is nice. It kind of magnets. I don't know if it's magnet or what that is. I guess it's magnet. So it kind of sticks in there. That's nice. Comes apart. This top guy comes off. And this is a little kit to hold your screws. I am the worst about that. I've been working on technology for 20 years probably, and I'm always just like leaving screws and stuff here. And like, I always go, don't do that. And then I do that and they go flying somewhere. And I'm like, uh-oh. Another snack in case you're not full from the first one. So this is good. You set this out. You put your screws in here. Little bit of tray to keep them apart. I don't think this is magnetized. No, this does in some capacity. Lots of little stabby guys in here. Tons of little tools in there. Things like all these different little guys go in there. And these are nice. So this back part spins. So if you want to hold it here and then twisting, get some force on it and twist it there. That works. I like that blue. That's nice. Nice little touch. Don't know what this is. I want it out. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty neat. It's like a flexible guy, so if you can't reach, you can kind of twist it in there, and it still turns some, I guess. Never seen such a contraption. All right, so again, I don't know what all these tools do, but I'm gonna work on a lot of laptops. I took my Nintendo Switch apart with the different toolkit. Instead of having a bunch of random screwdrivers laying around, it's nice to have all this in one place, and nice when everything puts together. Everything comes together nicely, and then you can, wrap it all back up very nicely. A little kit, and I'll probably keep it in this little box. There's one good point is that these are magnetic. So the iFixit kit has been great. This laptop was terrible to take apart. I had every piece I needed in here and more in the iFixit kit. And I liked it a lot. And again, I paid up my own money. No one sent it to me for free or anything like that. I did break one of these in here, but it came with plenty in case I needed more. So the major pain was Dell's fault for making this laptop so hard to take apart, but the iFixit toolkit made it as easy as it's possibly going to be. The hard part was just this laptop, and I think if you had another laptop, not the Dell XPS 9710, it would be a lot easier to take them apart. So yeah, I highly recommend this kit. I've used it for a handful of things. I haven't filmed it, but as far as just this is what its intended purpose is, and it's been great. I don't know how I could have done this without it because I don't have these kind of tools. I would have lost those screws. I probably have worn a pry tool and I would have broke it and it wouldn't have worked. So the iFixit kit saved the day here. All right, thanks.